How to turn on dark mode in Telegram X. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change the interface. First of all, open the application. So basically, I'm in my home page. Here on the left top, you can see this tree line icon. Simply tap on this tree line icon. Here, you'll be able to find different options and settings. Here on the bottom, at the last option, you can find night mode. So in order to turn it on, simply tap on it. Now it will take some time, and as you can see, the whole interface has been changed. Now if you go back, the whole interface is changed into the dark mode. So it's up to your preference if you like it or not. Either you like the dark mode or the light mode. So it's up to you. At last it's set to go and you can use the app again. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.